Well, hello, my lovely friends. It's Tuesday, and I have a strange voice still. I'm still struggling with my allergies. I thought I was on the mend, and then they got really horrific. So I basically stay up all night coughing and taking medicine, and so I don't have much of a voice, and what voice I have is very strange. So, um, with that being said, this layout is from the November Cheeky Studio kit called Autumn Beauty. And this is a new exclusive line of papers from Cheeky. And I just love it. I love how it turned out. It's super fun. We have another collection coming soon, but I did want to let you know that they are limited in supply, and we are starting to go to some shows and crops, and so I don't know how long our papers or ephemera products will last. So, and we do buy in limited amounts, so just FYI, if you want to make sure you don't miss out. So, also we have the Kit Club. I've been so busy, I'm actually thinking of making the Kit Club quarterly instead of monthly because it takes up so much of my time, and I want to make sure that I'm bringing you the kind of quality that should be in a club and be in a kit. So I don't know, it's just a one-man team here. So I mean, I have my Bab, he's really helpful, but so this kit comprises of the ephemera called Autumn Beauty and some of the cut apart sheets. That one that you see there, the cut apart label says Amazing Grace. This picture was in San Francisco from our trip back in the spring. I also pulled one of the bows just from the shop because it's pink, but white bows do come in this kit. And so do these stickers by Amy Tan called Twilight. And I guess I've gone to find something. Oh, my wax paper so that I can make my title. I really enjoyed making this layout. It's simple, it's clean, it's fun. I make, behind that glassine envelope that comes in the kit, I make a large tag with some journaling out of the yellow distress paper that you saw, and I'll do my journaling there. And then here I'm making my title that just says San Fran, and I'm going to dig into some old stickers and pull out the word smile, which is also by American Craft Stickers called High Five. So the title is just simply San Fran Smile. I thought that was cute and said it all. So as you can see, there is tons of ephemera. I'm just gonna layer up my clusters like I like to do. And one thing I really like about this paper is like, it does it all for you. You put a couple of embellishments on there, and basically the paper just makes it. I mean, you don't have to do a lot of work here. So add a little bit of clusters with some florals and some leaves, maybe a flare. That flare is from my stash. I've had it forever. And I do believe I put one of the little birds down at the bottom left on the big cluster of flowers. So I mentioned that Cheeky is going to go to some crops and some shows and some conventions. Next weekend, I believe it is next weekend, we are headed, it's not this weekend, it's the next weekend. We are headed to Oklahoma for the Kiss crop. And we are super excited to be there. This is going to be a 10 by 10 booth, and I've been working diligently all week to make sure that I have everything packaged. And we did a really cute DIY of an old ladder, a wooden ladder that I had in my garage forever that was kind of broken. And we're going to use it for some shelving. I've made some cute pennant banners, and I don't know, I'm just getting really excited. I've ordered some grid walls, and I've got a show exclusive for the crop, and it's got part of their logo on it, and I just made some really cute flair for that. And so I'll share pictures with you as, it occurs and keep you informed. So that is going to be where Cheeky is in the world. We're going to be in Oak Grove, Oklahoma. And that's November 9th, 10th, and 11th. So that should be a pretty big event, and we're really excited to be there and love the opportunity. So hopefully I will get to meet some of you lovely subbies. I've always wanted to meet more of you. I've met a few, but I love the community. So chatting with you, and it's kind of funny because sometimes I get to know you so well and you get to know me so well. It's like we've known each other forever. So I always love that. So that's what's on the list for week after next. I did just add a few of the cork hearts and florals from the kit. Now this is the November kit. And if you are interested in getting the kit, you can just go to the website. The information will be at the end of this video with close-up pictures. And what else? We added, I'm starting to design cut files because Make Paper Art has decided that, they've got their own business and they're super busy as well. So good luck to them. I think that, Amanda over there is fantastic. So make sure you check out their shop. But she used to design a monthly cut file for me and she just doesn't have time. And so I'm going to try and do that once a month for my website. So I guess that's it. I'm sorry I sound so incredibly terrible. Hopefully this won't last much longer. I'm going on week 2. I guess it's almost 2 weeks. I don't know. It's been a solid 7 or 8 days. So I will talk to you later. Ta-ta for now. Bye.